2779 maximum beauty of an array after applying operation. This Java code uses a sliding window approach combined with sorting. The idea is to sort the array first and then use a sliding window to find the longest subsequence where the difference between the maximum and minimum elements within the window is less than or equal to 2 *k. This is because each element can be adjusted by plus or minus k, so the total range of adjustment is 2 *k. Explanation 1. Sorting. We start by sorting the array. Sorting helps us easily manage the range of numbers we can achieve by adjusting each element by plus or minus k. 2. Sliding window. We use 2 pointers, left and right, to maintain a window of elements where the difference between the maximum and minimum elements is at most 2 *k. 3. Adjusting the window. As we iterate over the array with the right pointer, we adjust the left pointer to ensure the condition nums right nums left less than equals 2 *k holds. If it doesn't, we move the left pointer to the right. 4. Calculating maximum beauty. For each valid window, we calculate the length of the window, right, left plus 1, and update max beauty if this length is greater than the previously recorded maximum. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.